This video will show you how to late check out a reservation. Hotelogix lets you easily extend the checkout time of a reservation and charge for it. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation you wish to offer late checkout. Click View Details from the context menu that shows up. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make changes. Now click Late Checkout. Late Checkout panel opens up. Enter reason for late checkout. The system prompts late checkout charges based on the policy setup. You may edit the charges as needed. Enter the late checkout charge. You can enter comments related to the late checkout as a free text in the description box. Now click Late Checkout. An alert appears to seek confirmation. Click OK. You are taken to the payment page. Late checkout charge gets updated in the account statement. This brings us to the end of the video on how to late check out a reservation.